everywhere. We're in a swamp. Okay, we're ready for airboat now.
Moving, please stay seated. Y'all ready to go?
Yeah.
Baby alligator off to your right. Typically, the mama's gonna watch her babies for about 3 years.
Couple gators out there. I don't want to get off this boat. Check this forest out. It's like in the middle of nowhere. We're the only ones here. We're looking for some alligators.
And turtles. And what else?
There's one right there. You see it? North American alligator. His name's Crusher. Let's see. There he is. We're here. There's so many of them. They're all hungry.
Oh my god, they're all like here. Look, they're like staring at us. Like, give me food.
Stay off handrails, guys. These crocs are hungry. Look at them waiting for us. They think we're food.
What is it?
It's alligator food.
That's like hot dog. Chocolate. Okay, we're gonna feed the alligators. Throw it really hard. There, it's on his head. There. Look at the Macau. Beautiful.
What's that?
They're not in a cage.
What animal is this?
It's mommy's favorite animal. A pig. Kangaroos in Florida. You're a grandpa.
I'm not.
Alligator flavor. Wow. Gator slush. Check it out, albino. A baby albino. Whoa, look at this guy. Kui is holding an alligator head.
This got such really scary. They are real. They're real because they got cut.
Aww.
The one there's black things in the back.
That goes over the eyeballs as well. It's to fight back.
Alright, we're done. See you later, alligator.